When a machine is producing, you make money. When a machine is idle, you lose money. Using this principle, we use several types of sensors to record production. For molding machines, we record every shot. The moment the machine stops, we do not receive a mold open and/or close signal for more than 3 minutes. You can change this time. We set the status of the machine to idle. We do the same for CNC machines with a moving sensor. When the CNC head moves, the machine is producing. For milling machines, for example, we use the power consumption. We set the base power consumption when a machine is on but idle. Therefore, when the milling head is running but not cutting steel, the machine is still idle. The moment the drill is cutting steel, the power consumption will go instantly higher. We record this as producing. You can monitor your company efficiency in the time period you select. For example, the last 24 hours, current week, last week, and current month. If your company has several locations, you can even monitor per location. You can monitor efficiency per department, equipment type, and equipment group. Alternatively, you can focus on individual machines to monitor their efficiency, current status, and length of time of current status. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in our products or have any questions, please contact monitor-box.com.